43 different network chains, bridging and swapping between them, and currently the only crypto hardware wallet invested by Coinbase. Today I will review the OneKey Classic crypto hardware wallet, show all its features, what's in the box, and finish off with my thoughts. There will also be a giveaway of 2 of these wallets. Remember, nothing I say or show is financial or investment advice. OneKey is currently the only crypto hardware wallet that Coinbase is invested in, which is quite interesting. OneKey have a few different wallets, and the Classic currently costs $89. You can check out their devices right here by using this link, or the link will be down in the description as well. The Classic itself is very simple to handle. You have a few buttons that you use to click in the PIN code and verify transactions with, and that is of course exactly what we want with a cold wallet. A physical verification, which is arguably the safest way to store crypto. The Classic wallet stores the keys to your crypto in 2 chips inside the wallet, and your crypto are stored directly on the blockchain itself. Now, to handle the wallet, your funds, bridging, swapping, and so, everything occurs from the OneKey app. Now, the app is actually a really good crypto app with lots of tools, news, social directly in it, and you get quite a good overview of the different areas within crypto by just using it. Now, you don't even need a device or wallet to use their free app. You can just download and use it. Of course, with the cold wallet devices, you can integrate and get all the features with the added security of having a hardware wallet. In the box the wallet comes with is a USB-C power cord, some seed phrase paper, some other paper, and the device itself. Now, for you the viewers, the text will be flickering here on the device, but it is not flickering in real life, so to say. After creating a new wallet on the device, write down the seed phrase that it will show, select the PIN code on the wallet, and then we can connect the device to our phone using Bluetooth. Everything will be done through the OneKey app. Then we can go into our wallet in the top left and update our wallet if needed. Going back to the start screen showing our tokens, there is a lot going on here. It took me a while to find my way around everywhere, but I really do like all these features here, and there is a concrete use case for all the buttons, and I think they are placed well and used in a good way here. Here we can see our assets, up here is our wallet address, here you can change the crypto network chain you're using, and there is a huge amount of different chains. I count 43 chains as of now. That is insanely good. And here we can see our token assets. Here we can just see a few, but we can search for pretty much any crypto token you can imagine, and they will pop up here, or you can enter in them manually using this feature right here, which is perfect. I just love that. I have checked a few bunch of the network chains, and yes, they work very well. Up here where it says EVM1, that just means your account number 1. You get one wallet address for one account, and that address is the same and works for all these different network chains. Here you can, however, make more accounts per device. So as you can see, when I make an account number 2, it gives me another wallet address that I can use. So this is great to have that easy accessibility to have multiple accounts using multiple addresses. I like to use a test account that I use if I'm unsure of a website before connecting to it. I like to have a main account that I don't connect to any crypto sites, and I just used for storing my crypto. And I also like to have a tax account where I put over any income taxes from making profitable trades, selling airdrops and such. It makes it a lot easier having multiple accounts and separating them from one another. And yes, I also tried sending funds between my different accounts and their different wallet addresses, and that worked really smooth as well within the app. And here we have the feature of swapping and bridging all within the same app between different crypto network chains. That for sure sounds very cool, but we're gonna have to look at the fees and how it works and so. So let's make some swaps and bridging. I sent over some Polygon Matic tokens for the Polygon chain, some Arbitrum Ethereum for the Arbitrum chain, and some BNB for Binance Smart Chain. Now, it does not state anywhere, but you do need these network chains' native token to be able to use the chain, just like anywhere else. The swapping in-app between coins on the same chain works great. We can see here that the OneKey takes a 0.3% fee for each swap. We do also pay for the blockchain fee on top of that, but we also have a few options to alter the fee, such as the speed. Later on we can choose between different swapping routes, I believe. We can set slippage percentage, which can be very important. So that's actually a lot more swapping options than normally offered on crypto apps having a swap feature, so that's great. Swapping low amounts on Polygon and Smart Chain was easy, but I needed to have a minimum of 0.1 Ethereum to be able to swap on the Arbitrum chain, which is more than $200 worth. But I think they just forgot to switch the lower threshold from the Ethereum chain to the Arbitrum chain, because the fees on the layer 2 solutions such as Arbitrum and Optimism should be really low, so I think they will just fix that to the next update. To bridge crypto funds between different chains, we can do that directly here in the same swap window. We just need to select another chain here. And also while we're bridging, we can make that simultaneously swap to a different crypto token if we want as well. Here you can see me bridge USDC from Polygon to USDC on the Binance Smart Chain. The bridge fee seems to be 0.19 USDC plus the 0.3% fee to OneKey. Now here I could have changed the fast option to normal and I could get the fee a bit lower as well. Having all these networks interchain bridging between different tokens with an easy user interface is something most DEX's decentralized exchanges are competing with each other about. But OneKey here have it all within their app, very easy to use, and I guess the fees required in the app won't be much higher than anywhere elsewhere. Bridging and the cost to bridge depend on many factors such as the chain, the token, the D-app, so it can vary a lot. So all in all, the in-app swap and bridging worked really good. Now if you do want to avoid the 0% fee with each transaction, you can use the WalletConnect feature in the OneKey app and connect directly to a D-app on your computer or on the same phone you're using by just scanning a QR code. Then you can pretty much use any D-app and you will only pay their fees and so avoid the 0.3% fee that goes to OneKey. I like that we have both the options to do it, the fast and easy way using the in-app features, bridge and swap, or we can do it ourselves through the WalletConnect feature. That seems fair to me. I did, however, have some issues with the WalletConnect feature connecting to Uniswap and PancakeSwap. I needed to reconnect and try a transaction a few multiple times before the prompt was issued and seen in the phone and on the hardware wallet. And that occurred while trying it out both on the laptop and through the same mobile phone. So it seems the WalletConnect feature is still a bit buggy, but I guess more updates will come and solve that issue in the future. There is also here an option to directly go from fiat, from euro or dollar, directly to crypto within the same app. But I've not tried that out, but it's nice to have that feature in there. Now, the OneKey app contains a lot of good other cool and info features with direct access to NFTs, marketplaces, socials, news, other apps. So having just the app could very much make you spend quite some time on crypto platforms easily to do some research, to kill some time whilst, I don't know, riding the bus or subway. So this very thin crypto cold wallet, the OneKey Classic, is just a physical added security step to making sure your crypto funds are safe. It works great, but I think the most value here actually comes from the OneKey app. However, if you want to use them both simultaneously and get the added benefit of having your crypto funds secured on it, you kind of get a good combo if you mix the two, the app and both a hard wallet device from OneKey. So I can see they go very well in hand. Now, OneKey themselves are giving away two classic wallets, one in this video and another one in tomorrow's video where I will review the OneKey Touch, another cold wallet from OneKey. There should be a link right here to it right now eventually. To be eligible for the giveaway competition, you have to like and leave a comment in this video including the word OneKey. Now I will do that one time in this video and one time in the other video, giving away one wallet per video. See all the giveaway instructions and details for the competition down in the description below. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.